Hello everyone, welcome back to Movies Allies. Today I have brought you the brand new update regarding Fantastic Four in MCU. Before we hop into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel to get updates, breakdown and news regarding Marvel projects and movies. MCU has recently announced a list of their Phase 4 movies and TV shows with a pretty cool montage of the previous movies and great recall to Infinity Saga. The exclusive video featured the logo of Fantastic Four that confirms that sooner or later in MCU there is going to be Fantastic Four. The video didn't have any reveals for other movies such as Inhumans or next Avengers movie, but gladly we have a Fantastic Four movie in upcoming years. This is not the first time Marvel Studios has teased Fantastic Four. They have already done it in the past a couple of times. The previous Fantastic Four movies featured different actors were a masterpiece, and now Marvel Studios is going to launch this franchise exclusively in MCU timeline. Marvel Studios is currently officially hiring different actors for the Fantastic Four movie. So we have got some news regarding the new franchise, as Marvel Studios has confirmed the movie to happen around late 2022 or mid 2023. And for that we have gone through different tweets from Marvel Studios and various other insiders. Marvel Studios are already selecting the most efficient choices for the roles of the big four of the crew. So a lot of insiders have this news and confirmed it that Marvel Studios is looking to bring John Krasinski for the role of Richards, aka Mr. Fantastic. To be honest, he is the best choice for the role, and not only that, but he was recently running a campaign on social media in order to cast him for the role respectively. For Miss Fantastic, John Krasinski's wife Emily Blunt is number one choice of fans for the role. As we all know, Emily Blunt originally auditioned for the role of Black Widow in MCU, but for some reasons she couldn't get the role and we got Scarlett Johansson as Black Widow. And as we all know, she did an amazing job of portraying Black Widow. On the other hand, John Krasinski also interviewed for a role in MCU, and that was Captain America originally. So both of them gave a positive nod when they were asked to play a role in MCU, and now it's up to Marvel for announcing them as Mr. Fantastic and Mrs. Fantastic. After Mr. and Mrs. Fantastic, we have also the Human Torch and the Thing in team of Fantastic Four. And we still have nothing confirmed from Marvel Studios or any insider, but we saw that actor Roger Block teased on the Twitter with the caption, "Here's the Thing," with a picture of Fantastic Four. This caption took over the internet, and there are huge chances of watching this actor in the role of the Thing, and his caption, "Here's the Thing," teased the name of superhero that we could see him playing in the future. But later he tweeted that it was just a dream of this actor to play that role, and it is not yet confirmed that he will be playing that role in MCU. We will surely get the cast announced this year, as Marvel has to start pre-production and start filming. If they want to release the movie in early 2023, they have to start filming at least at the end of this year. Marvel Studios has so much more in their closet for the fans in upcoming years. Most probably the year 2021 is entirely booked with Black Widow, Loki, Shang-Chi and Spider-Man No Way Home. And we also have a lot of announcements for 2022 with great movies and Disney Plus shows such as She-Hulk, Armor Wars, I Am Groot, Moon Knight and so much more. We also saw Eternals exclusive first look in the MCU that was just incredible with amazing casting, and finally an iconic debut of Angelina Jolie in MCU. Hopefully we will get more shows and movies announced from Marvel Studios, and we will later move on to the next MCU phase after that. So that was all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Till then, be happy.